Hello, so I'm going to be showing you how to do the tortoise shell pattern. This is great for like the tortoise shell glasses or any kind of surface that you want to do the tortoise shell pattern. So I am using a hoo-hoo markers, and we are going to start out. We're going to start out with this color right here, the WG01. And I am going to go ahead. I'm using the brush tip, and I'm going to color in that whole space. With that color first. Now this is an alcohol marker. There we go. So we have our base color. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this color next. This is the BR2. I'm going to use my fine tip on this one. And I'm going to just kind of create some random type organic shapes. Okay, kind of organic means natural. And it's kind of that orangey, brownish sort of color. All right. Okay. Next, I'm going to be using the BR1. And this is a little bit darker. I'm going to go more toward the inside of the shape and make it this darker brown. Okay, just like so. Now, I'm going to be taking the Y11 or Y11, and I'm going to be using the brush tip, and I'm going to use this color to blend along the outside edge . Just like so. And then I am going to go back with my first color, my WG01. And I'm going to go in and I'm going to really blend that out a lot. And there you go. You have the tortoise shell type pattern for your drawing and using the Ohuhu markers.